Hello, it's K24. Today we've got a screwdriver set here from Hozan. H-O-Z-A-N is how that's spelled. Now this isn't your regular Phillips screwdriver set. This is a JIS screwdriver set, which is a Japanese industrial standard. And these screwdrivers are made in Japan. And there really is a difference in a standard Phillips. These are both number 2. So there's a difference in a standard Phillips and a Japanese industrial standard. You can see the Phillips looks like it's way wider. It becomes broader. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you in here, try to show you what happens here. I think that'll work. Okay, so standard number 2. See how much movement there is back and forth? With the JIS, once you drop it in there, it moves very little. That's the difference. You get a better purchase. But yeah, there really is a difference in that purchase. And a lot of times these drain screws, because the water will lay in the bottom of the carburetor, they'll be a real bastard to get out. On the screw heads, on a JIS screw, you will see a little dot. There will be a dot on the screw heads. Now these ones don't show that, which is odd, but yes, the Japanese industrial standard, these screws all have dots on them. Now why these don't? Probably a special screw of some sort, not just an off-the-shelf type thing. Because these have isn't regular screw, it's a seating valve to drain your fuel out of the bottom of the carburetors. So you can see this isn't just a regular screw. And I believe that's why there's no dot marked on the top of this head of this screw. It's a special screw anyway. It's not a standard out of the bin type screw. Yeah, so that's a special screw, and what that does is allows you to drain your fuel out of the bottom of the carburetor bowls. I'm going to try to demonstrate for you how this screwdriver works. It really gets a good purchase on these screws. Sometimes these can be really difficult. The only thing I don't like about these is that there's no lug to get a wrench on. Sometimes you need to get a wrench on here, and like with this screwdriver here, it has this lug on it, so you can get on there with a wrench. But a standard Phillips just doesn't have the grip that this JIS has. So that's the difference.